Today I'm going to show you guys how to find your computer model and serial number within the Windows 10 operating system. So by running a couple of quick commands, we should be able to find out both of those important pieces of information without too much of a hassle. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by right-clicking on the Start button. And you want to go up and left-click on where it says Command Prompt and in parentheses Admin. So left-click on that, and then if you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. So the first thing we're going to be looking for today will be our serial number. So what you want to do is type in WMIC. So again, WMIC space BIOS, BIOS, another space, get, GET, space, serial number. And keep in mind, the serial number should be one word here. So it should say WMIC BIOS get serial number, space in between all of these here, except for serial number. And it says WMIC space BIOS, BIOS space get, GET space serial number. And you want to hit enter. And this will show you your serial number for your computer. Since I'm in a virtual environment, it's going to look a little bit different, but for you guys, there shouldn't be any weird spaces in there. And now for the name of our computer model, all you have to do is type in WMIC. Again, so WMIC space CS product. CS product should be one word. So CS PRODUCT space get, another space, name. So again, WMIC space CS product space get space name. Then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. This will give you the name of your computer model. And again, since I'm in a virtual environment, it's going to look a little bit weird. But that's about it, guys. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.